Which of the following details from the passage suggests that the photograph is old? Taking a look at the description of the photograph in the passage, it's described as having scalloped edges and a faint sepia tint, both distinct characteristics of an older photograph. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. The boy's jacket is buttoned high. While this might hint at an older style of clothing, it doesn't provide us with enough information to conclude that the photograph itself is old. As this choice doesn't provide enough support, it can be marked off. B. The boy's expression is serious and shy. An expression alone doesn't tell us when a photo was taken, so this detail doesn't provide enough information to suggest the photograph is old. This choice can be marked off as well. C. The photograph has scalloped edges and a sepia tone. As we pointed out at the beginning, this clearly points to age, since scalloped edges are typical of older prints and sepia tint is commonly associated with old photographs. As this directly signals that the photo is old, this is likely our answer, but let's take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. The boy is standing in front of a brick building. Like the clothing style or expression, the type of building doesn't indicate the photograph's age. Brick buildings are common across many time periods. This choice can be marked off, and we can go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.